Today I thought of making banana chips, that crispy golden yellow colored banana chips. So thought of sharing that video with you also, how to prepare it, because it's very tasty. That golden yellow colored chips. Okay, it's this chips is famous in uh, India southern part, that is Kerala. And for that, for making that chips, we have to buy bananas of this variety. See, this is a type of variety bananas we have to buy from market. Okay, and also while you're buying, make sure that it is those bananas that is going to be about to ripe bananas, that will give a more crunchy taste and a little bit sweet taste to that chips. So see, it's slightly yellowish, not fully yellow, it's slight, it is about to ripe. So you have to buy such type of bananas. Okay, see, it's about to ripe. And also one more thing is, when you buy this such type of bananas, you can use the whole part of these bananas, that is the skin. You have to remove the skin for making chips, and this skin also we can make use in several dishes. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to peel off the skin, and after peeling off the skin, I will be putting it in turmeric water. So I prepared water. I kept water here. Then now we are going to put some turmeric to this water. So what is the purpose of putting turmeric to this water is, it will give a nice golden yellow color to the chips. And mostly this type of bananas, when you peel that skin, it will become black in color. So in order to avoid this, these all things, we are putting this peeled bananas into turmeric water. So I put turmeric to this water. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to peel off the skin of this banana. Okay, so that time also you have to be very careful. You should remove only the skin. You should not touch the inner part, that inner part of that banana. Otherwise the chips won't be coming. That sliced part will not be that much what thin and crispy. So we should be very careful while peeling off the skin. So I am going to show you how to peel the skin of this banana. Okay, so I am going to peel. So we have to remove both this part and this part of the skin. After that, we have to carefully remove the skin of this banana. Okay, I will show you how. See, should be very careful while removing the skin, otherwise the inner part will get affected. Nicely you have to peel it. See, it's coming. It will come easily, but we have to be careful. We shouldn't touch the. See, this is the inner part. Only you have to remove the skin. It should not touch the inner part of the banana. See, it's coming like this. See. So before, if you are using this, if you want to use this bananas cover, you have to wash the bananas nicely in the water before peeling it, so that you can use this also for any other dishes. So first one it will take some time because that speed won't be there, but after that you will be able to remove the skins of other bananas very easily. Okay, so this is my first one. This taking some time for me to remove this. So the second one onwards, the speed will be there because I know the practice. As I was saying, the practice makes man perfect. So I almost removed the skin. So next part is to put these bananas into turmeric water. So friends, I peeled that banana. See, this is that banana inside part. So now I am going to put it in the turmeric water. Let it rest there for some time. Meanwhile, I will be remove the skin of all these bananas and I will show you what will be the next step. So I peeled all the bananas. See, now it is in the turmeric water. So next step is to slice these bananas. So most of the people in shops and all, they will be using slicers or special machines for cutting these bananas into very thin slices. Here I am using a knife. I will show you how. So I have a sharp knife with me. So with that I am going to cut bananas into small pieces. See, like this it will be coming. See how thin the slices are. The thin the slices, that much crispy it will be. So you have to cut it like this. So after cutting all these bananas, we are going to fry it. So I will show you after cutting all the banana, after slicing all the bananas, I will show you what is the next step. Okay. Our slices are ready for frying. See, all over the thin slices of banana. It's in golden color. Now our oil is hot. We have to move on. Put these slices into the hot oil and fry it deeply and eat. See? Okay, let's go. So our oil is hot. Now we are going to put the thin banana slices into this oil. So I am using coconut oil here. That is, after some time it will subside. Then we have to So guys, a plate full of crispy banana chips is ready here. And let's check whether it is crispy or not. We'll start. We'll eat 2, 3. This is ready here. And let's check whether it is crispy or not. We'll start. We'll eat 2, 3. Can you hear that sound? It's very crispy and tasty. So try it once and tell me how it was. Okay, thank you. Bye.